Welcome to the Definition and Overview of Systems Thinking lecture. Here, we're going to dive into 5 key concepts. First, let's start with the definition of systems thinking. Simply put, systems thinking is the study of how things influence one another within a whole. It's the process of understanding how the pieces fit together to create a larger picture. But let's not just take my word for it. Think about a time when you've experienced this in your own life. Maybe it was a puzzle, or maybe it was a complex situation at work. In both cases, you were trying to understand how all the pieces fit together to create a solution. That's systems thinking. Next, let's dive into the overview of systems thinking. This field of study covers a wide range of subjects and can be applied to many different types of problems, from environmental sustainability to social justice to organizational performance. And it's not just about understanding the problem, it's about creating solutions. Systems thinking looks at the entire system, not just one piece of the puzzle, in order to find the most effective solution. Now that you understand the broad strokes of systems thinking, let's take a closer look at its key characteristics. The first one is interdependence. Everything in a system is connected and dependent on one another. The second is nonlinearity, meaning that small changes can have big effects on a system. Finally, there's feedback, which is the information that a system gives us about its own behavior. Understanding these 3 characteristics is crucial to analyzing and understanding complex systems. But why bother with all this complexity in the first place? Well, that's where the purpose of systems thinking comes in. Systems thinking is designed to promote understanding, problem solving, and decision making. It helps us tackle complex and wicked problems, and it encourages interdisciplinary collaboration so that we can find the best solutions. Finally, let's talk about the benefits of systems thinking. By using this approach, we can identify the underlying causes of problems, rather than just treating the symptoms. This leads to more effective solutions, and it can help us promote sustainable and equitable outcomes. Systems thinking is all about improving the quality of life for individuals and communities. By understanding its definition, overview, key characteristics, purpose, and benefits, you'll be well on your way to using this innovative approach to make a difference in the world.